Welcome, here I've got ONEPLUS NORD CE 5G and let me show you how to record slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so we have to change it by using the settings bar and just simply going to left to slow motion. Here we are. Now we can easily start recording this type of video by tapping on the big red shutter button at the center. We can also move up to this button to change resolution of our video. We can pick between two options, so you can stay on whatever you need. Now let me keep it like that and let's start recording to show you how it works. And now let's stop by tapping again on shutter button to see the video. Let's move to the right one that follows us straight to the gallery, and here we can play it by using center button. As you can see, this is how slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.